सूरज क्लीन अप हो
तुमचे जितना ऑन कर
देता ना गए
इतना था दो लवकर सर्च
जाऊ दे बंद कर
सर एक घेऊन द्या मला सर
Sir, there's a problem of load shedding here. I'll join from another device. The battery is running low.
Ashmi madam, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Shall we start?
With the kind permission of the chair, we can start then. Do they, sir?
Right, sir. I'll start, sir.
Just
A very good morning to the galaxy of intellectuals, honorable guests, respected professors, and beloved students. With great joy and immense exaltation, I am privileged to extend my warm welcome in this cool and pleasant morning. I am proud to witness the congregation of intellectuals present to flag off the online lecture series for students of BSc, BSc IT, BCA Semester 2 for compulsory English, organized by English departments of J.M. Patel Arts, Commerce and Science College, Bhandara, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, S.K. Porwal College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Kamji, Shri Shivaji Education Society, Amravati's Science College, Nagpur, and Nabira Mahavidyalay, Katur. I take this opportunity to extend my gratitude and welcome to Dr. Sanjay Dudhe sir, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, RGM Nagpur University, Nagpur, Principals and Chief Organizers, Dr. Vikas Domne sir, Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe sir, Dr. M.B. Bagre sir, Dr. M.P. Dhore sir, Dr. S.K. Navin sir. I also would like to welcome our resource persons, Dr. Peshwe sir, Navin sir, Dr. Joseph, Dr. Panga ma'am, Dr. Manish Chakravarti sir, Savita Devgirkar ma'am, Usha Bansor sir, Umesh Bansor sir, I'm sorry, and Shraddha Deshpande madam. As the famous saying goes, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. These lecture series is a step forward in providing sound and deep knowledge about the syllabi mentioned. Eminent experts will teach prose, poetry, writing skills to our dear students. So the secret of success is to be ready when the opportunity comes. It is a mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. A ray of light is a ray of hope. Let's all leave the darkness behind and step towards the bright path. Amen. Now, I request Dr. Karthik Panikkar, Chairman, Board of Studies in Languages, Faculty of Science and Technology, Rashtra Sant Tukaji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Nagpur, to welcome the August gathering. Please, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. I'll wait for a couple of minutes. I suppose you have lost the Honorable Pro VC. I would wait for him to join us.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just a minute.
Just check.
Thank you, Ashmi madam, for a very enthusiastic start to the inaugural function of the online classes that we have organized for BSc Semester 2 compulsory English students. It is with great pleasure that I welcome the Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Sanjay Dudhe, the principals of the 5 collaborating colleges, Principal Dr. Vikas Domne, Principal Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Principal Dr. MP Dore, Principal Dr. MB Bagde, and Dr. Sunil Kumar Naveen, resource persons, faculty members, and dear students. It is indeed a very important day for us in the sense that this is a venture, academic venture of the supported by the Board of Studies in Languages. At the very outset, let me place on record my gratitude to the Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Sanjay Dudhe ji for consenting to inaugurate the online classes. Thank you, sir. My very sincere thanks to the principals of all the 5 collaborating colleges for their unconditional and wholehearted support to our humble endeavor. We all know that we are passing through very challenging times. We might have just got over the second wave of COVID-19, but the experts are already predicting the third wave in July and August. Needless to say that the pandemic has impacted our academic calendar and the teaching learning process. Because of the health risks involved in the classroom teaching, we have been in a way forced to shift to the new architecture of online learning. There are many issues with online teaching, but I suppose there is no other way out. It is in this context that I had a discussion with the members of the Board of Studies, and all of them readily supported the idea of online classes for BSc Semester 2 compulsory English. In fact, when I went with this proposal to our principal, he has been a great support and pillar of immense strength for me always. So he immediately said, please go ahead, we should be doing this. When it comes to science subjects, students tend to ignore the languages, Marathi, Hindi, English. For them, it's not a very important subject. But let me tell you, students, if you have missed any topic of your science subjects, you do have an option of searching the topic and clearing your concepts on the internet. However, the same can't be said about the various chapters prescribed in your English textbook. For BSc, they must realize that when they start their career, English is going to be one of the important languages that they should have command over. We are living in a globalized economy, and there is no way you can escape English language. A few days back, we have this internship program, and we asked them to send the CV. You would be surprised to know that many of our BSc final year students didn't know how to write their CVs. So these language skills are going to be important for all the students. Don't ignore the unfortunate you have English language in your first year only. Before I close, I would like to apprise all present here about the process, about the brainstorming that went into the making of the syllabus and the prescribed textbook, Empowering Minds. My very special thanks to Honorable Dr. Vijay Bhatkar sir and Dr. Saji Varghese for writing 2 important chapters for the book. I simply cannot forget the humility with which Dr. Bhatkar agreed, and in fact he went through the final draft at least twice before giving us the consent. These online classes are also going to be unique because two principals will be sparing their time to teach you students. Also, maybe for the first time, a poet is going to teach his own poem. My gratitude to the resource persons of various colleges for agreeing to be a part of this project and sharing their invaluable services. I'm sure they would trigger in our students' interest in the subject and in the language. I hope that the classes would be received well by the students and they will find it useful and beneficial. So as we embark on this new journey of learning, let's make it a joyful, enriching, and fulfilling experience. Thank you so much. Ashmi madam.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, we are privileged to have Dr. Vikas Dhomne, sir, Principal of J.M. Patel College, Bhandara, with us today. Sir has kindly consented to deliver the welcome address on behalf of all organizers. Before I invite Sir, I would like to shed some light about J.M. Patel College regarding their academic and physical infrastructure built over last decade or so. This college has been a role model where many principals from Nagpur and Amravati region have been visiting it to see the teaching learning facilities that Dhomne sir has created in his illustrious tenure of 15 years. A visionary par excellence, sir has the knack of identifying dedicated, devoted people and assigns them tasks accordingly. The immense sense of belongingness coupled with scientific temperament has catapulted the glory of his college to great heights. So, is he a tough taskmaster? No. Sir is a master of calm and humble disposition. Many would like to tread on the path he has created. We are fortunate to have you here, sir. I take this opportunity to invite you to deliver the welcome address. Please, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ashmi, for praising J.M. Patel College. It is the routine work that we are doing it, nothing special. But we put our effort to make it at par with excellence. Today's inaugurator, my friend, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor of the RTM Nagpur University, Dr. Sanjay Dude sir. All my principals, friends of 5 colleges, 5 collaborating colleges, especially Principal Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Principal Dr. MP Dhore, Principal Dr. Bagre sir, Principal Dr. S.K. Naveen, Dr. Panikar, Dr. Pise, organizing secretaries, resource persons, faculty members, and my dear students. I welcome you all to the inauguration of the online classes being organized by these 5 colleges of the university for the students of BSc Semester 2 Compulsory English. And I'm really happy that these 5 colleges are supposed to be the biggest college of the university. 3 colleges are from outside Nagpur University, Nabira Mahavidyalaya Katol, and then SK Porwal College Kamptee, J.M. Patel College. Three colleges are from outside Nagpur, and 2 colleges from Nagpur, that is MP Memorial Deva Science College and Shivaji Science College. So these 5 colleges are supposed to be the renowned and biggest college of the university, and they are collaborating. This is really a good venture, a good efforts by the faculty of English Board of Studies of the languages. I thanks to the members of the languages Board of Studies. I know that at present the entire university system is now busy with the preparation of summer 2021 examination, but still Dr. Dude sir has spared the time. Thank you very much, sir, for being over here. I would have liked to welcome you all. Instead of meeting virtually, I always like to welcome you all to my beautiful campus of J.M. Patel College. But the restrictions imposed by the district administration don't allow for such a get-together and the gathering and the meeting. That's why we are meeting virtually. COVID-19 not only affected our personal life, but has impacted the teaching learning process like anything. The last academic session has been a very different one for all of us. Now we have a batch of students whom we have never met personally. This is something different. This batch of the student, we have never met them personally. Only the virtual classes, online classes of all the subjects are going on. Most of the teaching has been done online. Now the UGC has also floated a concept note on blending learning. We do not know what will be the outcome of this proposal of UGC, but one thing is that sure, it is very much sure that online teaching is here to stay. It will be a part of our teachers, our teaching fraternity. Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor sir knows better what is happening at the higher level. I am happy to see that our teachers have shown a great adaptability. Though some of the teachers are on the verge of retirement, but still they have learned how to teach online. Though some of the teachers are on the verge of retirement, they have shown their willingness. They are teaching online on various platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and various platforms, whatever are available. It is a matter of great pleasure of that 5 colleges have come together to arrange compulsory English class 1. I must congratulate the members of the Board of Studies, which I already congratulated earlier. Again, I congratulate the languages for thinking of this project. I think earlier for MA English students also, this type of collaborative efforts have been made by Dr. Karthik Panikar, and that was a successful project. And that's why they switch over to BSc student. And as rightly Dr. Panikar has said, that for BSc student is important because BSc students are studying in English medium and they are always neglecting languages like English, Marathi, Hindi. These are the languages they are always neglecting. They are always under overconfidence that they are studying in English medium, and that's why English is very easy and they will easily get through it. But the outcome is very poor. Even the science students, the majority of the science students are failing English. And as he said, English is now the language. So one should have to have the English speaking, the English writing skills, speaking globally is very important. Responsibility not only for BSc, for BA, become another fact that to train the students as per the global need. This is the 4th collaborative online classes that the Department of English of our college is doing in this session. Dr. Panikar has informed me that the students will be provided with the question bank. Not only this will be a virtual classes or teaching, but in addition to that, the students will be provided the question bank, and the practice test would also be conducted. The lectures by eminent teachers, as it has been mentioned here, eminent teacher like poet and the principals are also joining, teaching the students. It is really appreciable. The lectures by eminent teachers from different colleges would definitely help students to understand better points prescribed in the syllabus. Looking into the fact that many of our students come from villages where there is a poor connectivity issue, all the lectures will be hosted on the YouTube channel also. This will be remain on the YouTube channel. Student can access this lecture at any time because all the lectures are being recorded on Zoom platform, and also now it is live on YouTube, and it will be there forever for the students. They can access at any time any lecture. So this will help the student to revisit the videos as per their convenience. I wish the project all success and sincerely hope that the students will be definitely benefited by these collaborative efforts. Thank you. Thank you very much. Over to you, Dr. Karthik.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind, encouraging, and motivating words. Now, we are honored to have Professor Dr. Sanjay Dudhe, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Rashtrasan Tukaroji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Nagpur, with us today. Sir is Professor and Head of the Department of Sociology, Ayurvedic College, Korari, Nagpur. Sir has 24 years of teaching experience and has received the prestigious Shikshak Gaurav Puraskar 2018 instituted by Shri Gajanan Maharaj Multipurpose Welfare Society, Savner, Nagpur. Sir has also chaired the Board of Studies Syllabus Upgradation and Moderation Committees of Nagpur University. Sir has completed a research project funded by UGC and has authored 7 books published by acclaimed international publishers. Sir has supervised 10 students for doctoral degree and has 14 research papers published in international journals of repute. We are fortunate to have you here, sir. I take this opportunity to request you to deliver the inaugural address. Please, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
First of all, I congratulate all of the chief organizers, Dr. Dhomne sir, Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe sir, Dr. M.B. Bagde sir, Vikas Sunil Naveen sir, and MP Dore sir. And organizing secretary, my friend Dr. Pannikar sir, faculties, students, honored guests and friends. In the day ahead, we will focus on our future together. I love my learning, a longing for discovery, a commitment to pursuing truth and making the world a better place are the underpinning of a great university. I find this in abundance here at Nagpur University. During the past 9 months, as a Pro-Vice Chancellor, I have spent much of time learning about this university. I had the pleasure of meeting and speaking with hundreds of people, warm, passionate, dedicated, hopeful, proud, pragmatic, attentive, supportive, enthusiastic, and mission-focused people. I am working in new direction about aspirations, what questions learning about, and people are proudest of, and what they are anxious about as we move forward together. More than anything, I am listening. There has been very little shortage of opinions or ideas. And they are always wise with a desire to make Nagpur University better. Though this process, I have learned that we are eminently proud of our university and affiliated colleges, which is our roots. And J.M. Patel Arts and Commerce College, Bandara, Dharampet College Nagpur, Porwal College Kamti, Nabira College Katol, Shivaji College Nagpur. We have an extraordinary capacity for renovating ourselves and learning in the hurricane like forces that reshape our landscape. I also learned that we are driven by a deep commitment to reach new heights. We are in the process of refreshing our strategic plan, leading to a sustainable future for Nagpur University. Faculty, staff, students, alumni are part of this important process. Today, though I will share what I hope, what I have come to see as our greatest aspirations, diffusing vision for our future, defining vision for our future. We at our Nagpur University aspire to be the excellent, relevant university, the innovative university, and the university that contributes to the betterment of society. Now, on this pandemic situation, all the routes are changes, but Rashtrasanta Tukaji Maharaj Nagpur University and other affiliated colleges focus on educating students on every aspects, and this online lecture series is one of it. As we all know that crux is teaching or the skill of teaching. In this COVID pandemic situation, most of the teachers had to learn how to teach online and all the other teaching techniques. We all are aware of the challenges facing higher education today. This is a challenging and modern era. The combination of such pandemic circumstances, every person and every teacher should try to learn the techniques and tools of online teaching because it is the need and demand of the hour. It was an immense pleasure knowing that such type of lecture series have been conducted, and I hope more such lecture series and also teaching technique workshop will be conducted in the future to enhance the knowledge. We have to change with the times because change is the only constant. We all know that zeal is the logo of life. If zeal, that is enthusiasm, hope, faith, courage, and peace are kept intact, success and development are our way. So we must accept and learn new things that come our way and grow out as a better version of ourselves. Believe in yourself because उम्मीद वक्त का बहुत बड़ा सहारा है उम्मीद तो हर लहर किनारा है. Nowadays, we lost our beloved people. Some people lost their hopes, but if we follow the COVID-19 rules and take care of ourselves, then definitely we will win this war. So everyone must vaccinate themselves as early as possible. And lastly, I wish you more blessing for good health and happiness. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your enlightening
Thank you.
address, sir. It was a pleasure listening to you. Thank you so much. Culmination of a program happens with a show of gratitude and appreciation. To do the same, I request Dr. Renuka Roy to propose a formal vote of thanks. Please, Ren.
Thank you, madam. Good afternoon, everyone. It is indeed a pleasure and honor for me to propose a formal vote of thanks. At the beginning, I extend a heartfelt thanks to Pro Vice Chancellor, RTM Nagpur University, Nagpur, Dr. Sanjay Dudhe sir, for sparing his valuable time and guiding us. I am thankful to the principals of the collaborative colleges for their constant support and valuable guidance. I am also thankful to convener of this program, this lecture series, and the chairperson of Board of Studies of Languages, Science and Technologies, RTM Nagpur University, Nagpur, Dr. Kartik Panikkar sir, inception of this wonderful idea and meticulous planning for carrying out this task. I will fail my duty if I do not thank all the collaborating members and stakeholders. I thank coordinator Dr. Pisne sir, organizing secretaries Dr. Bansod and Dr. Deshpande, and all my colleagues who have directly and indirectly supported me. I thank Dr. Hashmi for this wonderful program. With these words, I take to leave. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Renuka. With the permission of the chair, can I announce, Kartik sir, that the inaugural session is over?
Yes, the
We
inaugural
shall
session is
now,
over.
without much ado,
Yeah,
sir.
I mean, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, to thank Dr. Hashmi for the wonderful comparing that she has done. A special
Sir,
round of
thanks.
applause for you, madam.
Thank
Very,
you so much,
very
sir.
nice. You are true, Karthik.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, shall we start with the first session
Yeah,
of the day?
we can start with the first
Yes,
lecture. Just give me,
sir. So
just give me
without
2 minutes.
much ado,
Yeah, just give me 2 minutes, madam.
yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll end this first live stream and then we'll go for the second live stream.
Right, sir.
Yeah, my special thanks to all the principals for your support once again and for joining us. Thank you so much.